Hello friends, welcome to my channel Civil Smart. Today we are going to design a combined footing which is beam and slab type. We have already done a slab type combined footing, so now we are going to design a beam and slab type. So we have this type of problem, that is column A having a load, this much is the size of the column A and the load is 800 kN. Column B of having a size 400 by 400 and the load is this much. Both columns are 4 meter apart and the width of the footing is restricted, in this case 1.8 meter. If it is not restricted, you can assume that the safe bearing capacity is 180 kN per meter square and FCK is 25 and FI is 415. So what are the steps? The steps are, firstly we will find the dimension of the footing, like the width has already been given, but we will have to find the length of the footing according to the area of the footing, which is calculated by the load, total load. Net upward pressure will be calculated. Next, the x bar, that is the x bar distance, the distance of the CG will be calculated. The shear force diagram will be calculated by this. Next is the zero shear force we will find, and the bending moment calculation will be there, right? Next, point of counterfracture, that is the point of zero moment, where the bending moment is zero, the point of counterfracture will be there. Then firstly we will design a footing slab. This footing slab will be designed, right? So area of the main steel and area of the distribution steel will be found. One way shear check for the footing slab will be done. Next is the design of the beam. The beam is there, we have to design the beam. We will calculate the depth of the beam depth will be different. Then the design of the beam according to the bending moment, where the tension in this portion, AB portion, tension is in the bottom portion. In this portion BC, the tension will be in the hogging portion, that is the negative bending moment. So we will design it accordingly. The BC portion, next is the CD portion. Finally the shear check will be there and the shear reinforcement for the beam will be calculated for this. And this is the detailing part. You will get the detailing of this beam and the section detailing will also be given by this Excel sheet.